Rua Bioscience, the first company founded by a Māori community to list on the New Zealand Stock Exchange. Rua Bio is a pharmaceutical company that produces medicinal cannabis products, which started in Ruatoria.
For both of us, I think it was really about what can we do that's going to help our community and create some new employment opportunities.
Yeah, I think if you'd asked us at the start our thoughts about listing on a New Zealand Stock Exchange, I think that would have been way outside our scope. Like when we started, we were told, oh, you'll need at least $20 million, and we're like, wow.
It's awesome to say that we were able to create something new in Ruatoria, that pharmaceutical company can be founded in Ruatoria, given there's a handful of pharmaceutical companies in the whole country.
I think that's probably the biggest celebration of listing on the stock exchange. Like, personally, it definitely pushed my boundaries of what I thought that I could do, and having to go deep into your faith of, yep, we can do this.
Rua Bioscience, proud to be Māori.